Snitika here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First, I'm going to take some concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to clean underneath my brows and then I'll apply it onto my lids. Then I'm going to apply a sticky tape to give my eyeshadow a sharp look. Then with an angle brush, I will take some gel eyeliner and then create a wing. After creating the wing, I will take the liner towards my crease. I will apply the gel eyeliner on my outer V. Then I will take this deep blue shade from the palette and start blending. While blending it, I will take it towards my crease and after that, I will take it to the center of my lids. Then I will take this shimmery blue shade from the palette and apply it on the inner lids with the help of a flat brush, and then I will take it towards my center of the lids and mixing both of the shades properly. Again, I will take some of that deep blue shade and apply it above my crease and properly blending it with the gel eyeliner. This is my most favorite part, and that is applying the glitter. I will take some of that deep blue glitter on a flat brush and apply it on the center of my lids. As this is a pressed glitter, so there is no need to apply any glue. Before removing the sticky tape, I will apply some mascara. This step is totally optional because you can apply it after removing the tape also. On a very small piece of cotton, I will take some makeup remover and clean it. Then I will apply the concealer to give it a very crisp look. I will also apply the concealer underneath my eyes. Then with the help of a sponge, I will blend it properly. After blending, I will take some of that same deep blue shade on a flat brush and apply it on my lower lash line. Then I'll apply some glitter on the inner part of my lower lash line. This is the mascara I used before on my upper lashes. Now I'll be using it on my lower lashes. So I will be using this shade as a highlighter to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my lids. Now I'll apply some lashes off camera and then come back and show you the final look. So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look, and if you did then please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as I post 3 to 4 times a week. And don't forget to comment down below what other looks you want me to create. And if you plan on creating any of my looks, then please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Till then, take care. Bye bye.